Welcome to our YouTube channel Multi-Focus Media Stream. We continue the ongoing series Returning to Nature. Today we bring a beginner's topic which is Basic Science Energy Transformation. The energy of the sun is the original source of most of the energy found on Earth. We get solar heat energy from the sun, and sunlight can also be used to produce electricity from solar photovoltaic cells. The sun heats the Earth's surface and the Earth heats the air above it, causing wind. The sun is the main source of energy for almost every living being on Earth. It gives a plant the light energy it needs to photosynthesize, which converts that light energy into a storable form, glucose, and keeps plants alive. A byproduct of photosynthesis is the oxygen which all animals need to survive. Water evaporated by the sun forms clouds and rain to give us flowing streams and rivers. Both wind and flowing water, hydropower, are sources of energy. So you see, the sun is a source of many kinds of energy found in nature. These kinds of energy are around us all the time. They are produced quickly and replaces themselves constantly as we use them. For this reason we say they are renewable. The sun's energy can also be stored. Plants store energy from the sun as they grow. Fruit, vegetables and wood from trees, for example, all contain stored solar energy. We call it biomass energy, from bio for life or living. These kinds of energy are also renewable, but of course it takes longer to grow a plant or a tree than it does to get heat directly from sunlight. When energy is stored in a material, we call that material fuel. Food and wood are biomass fuels. When you have old biomass that has become concentrated, which is what we call fossil fuel. There are 4 ways energy can be transferred. Mechanically, by the action of a force; electrically, by an electric current; radiation, by light waves or sound waves; heating, by conduction, convection or radiation. What are the different types of energy? Types of energy can be categorized into 2 broad categories: kinetic energy and potential energy. Kinetic energy, the energy of moving objects. The formula for kinetic energy is Ke is equal to 1 upon 2 into m into v square, wherein Ke stands for kinetic energy, m is the mass of object, v is the velocity of the object. Potential energy. The different types of energy include thermal energy, radiant energy, chemical energy, nuclear energy, electrical energy, motion energy, sound energy, elastical energy, and gravitational energy. The formula of potential energy is Pe is equal to m into g into h. M stands for mass of the object, g stands for acceleration due to gravity, and h is the height. Thermal energy. Thermal energy is created from the vibration of atoms and molecules within substances. The faster they move, the more energy they possess and the hotter they become. Thermal energy is also called heat energy. Electrical energy. Electrical energy is the movement of electrons, the tiny particles that make up atoms, along with protons and neutrons. Electrons that move through a wire are called electricity. Lightning is another example of electrical energy. Chemical energy. Chemical energy is stored in the bonds of atoms and molecules. It is the energy that holds these particles together. Stored chemical energy is found in food, biomass, petroleum, and natural gas. Nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is stored in the nucleus of atoms. This energy is released when the nuclei are combined, fusion, or split apart, fission. Nuclear power plants split the nuclei of uranium atoms to produce electricity. Radiant energy, also known as the light energy or electromagnetic energy. Radiant energy is a type of kinetic energy that travels in waves. Examples include the energy from the sun, X-rays, and radio waves. Light energy. Light energy is a form of electromagnetic radiation. Light consists of photons which are produced when an object's atoms heat up. Light travels in waves. Light energy is the only form of energy which is visible to the human eye. Motion energy. Motion energy or mechanical energy is the energy stored in objects. As objects move faster, more energy is stored. Examples of motion energy include wind, a flowing river, a moving vehicle, or a person running. Sound energy. Sound energy is the movement of energy through substances. It moves in waves and is produced when a force makes an object or substance vibrate. There is usually much less energy in sound than in any other form of energy. Elastic energy. Elastic energy is a form of potential energy that is stored in an elastic object, such as a coiled spring or a stretched elastic band. Elastic objects store elastic energy when a force causes them to be stretched or squashed. Gravitational energy. Gravitational energy is the form of potential energy. It is an energy associated with gravity or gravitational force. Lastly, we come to the law of conservation of energy. The first law of conservation of energy simply states that energy can never be created or destroyed, but it can be transformed from one type to another. Energy can be transformed from one form to another in different ways. Kinetic energy is the energy of a moving object, whereas potential energy is the energy that is stored in an object or substance. That is all for today. We will come back with heat, temperature, boiling point and freezing point related topics on the next episode. Like and share the video and subscribe the channel if you haven't already. Till then, take care, be safe and goodbye.